Working with a lot of data can be stressful and confusing. We got lost in all the numbers and cells trying to understand how to build a good-looking report from it. Luckily, we can use Excel to do the hardest part of the work, such as calculations. However, before that, we need to know how to tell Excel what we need, which can be a tricky part in most cases. Just as we learn different languages, rules, or formulas, we can learn functions of Excel. This will let us understand what to type, which cells to choose, and what kind of results to expect from all of this. For that reason, we will be covering different functions in each video, slowly increasing the level to the most advanced ones. The first function is count. It is easy to use and doesn't require any specific elements. It helps us to count the amount of values within a selected area. The function looks the following way: equal, count, value 1, value 2, and etc. And as we can see, it requires at least one value to be present. The function works only with numbers, dates, or time. It will not count cells that have text inputs, symbols, or empty cells. For these options, we have other functions which we are going to cover in the future videos. For now, let's get back to the main count function and look at the example. We need to open Excel, create a new book, or open the existing one and prepare our data. Once we complete these steps, we can start working with the function. We select a cell within the same tab, in a new separate tab of the same workbook, or in a completely separate book. It depends where you need to see the results of your operations. Here we use the cell right next to our data. In this cell, we type equal and count, and then we choose the field that we need. It can be few specific cells, the whole area, or any lines. After selecting required part, click Enter on the keyboard. Excel will automatically provide us the answer for the requested information. If there are any mistakes, you can anytime correct them in the function field. If you start typing something in the cell, everything will be deleted, but you can cancel the action and return the inputs the way it was before. This is it for the count function, but there is much more to come. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new content about Excel. If you find this video useful, please share the link to it with your friends and colleagues. Also, you may leave your questions or comments under this video. Until next time.